You can build any habit in 66 days. 88% of resolutions fail.
It takes an average of 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic, according to a 2024 meta-analysis. This timeline can range from 18 to 254 days. Commit to 66 days to form your next essential habit.
James Clear's Atomic Habits framework focuses on small, consistent changes. Download his free 30 Days to Better Habits email course, including 11 lessons and a 20-page PDF workbook to start. This framework makes habit building practical. For Apple users, Streaks is a focused habit tracker, a one-time purchase of $5.99 on the App Store. It allows you to track up to 24 habits, keeping your focus tight. Open the App Store and search Streaks to find it. Habitify Habit Tracker supports Android, Windows, and Apple devices, used by over 3 million users. Its free tier lets you track up to 3 habits. Upgrade to a paid tier for unlimited habits and advanced features. Use Streaks or Habitify to implement James Clear's framework. Make it obvious with app reminders. Make it satisfying by tracking streaks for 66 days. Start small, making it easy, and build momentum. You've learned how to build habits in 66 days using Streaks or Habitify, guided by James Clear's framework. Next, watch our video on AI tools for small business productivity.